Clear to te lalpai swamping in Tibay ule tunkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar clearing lo ngai thlang u Kohhran Pathian thu Zirna Calvary Bible College Shillong chuan October ni somni atangani somni pakhat chung khan CBC Chapel Shillonga graduation day voi somli palina an hmang October ni somni inrini jana program tan ania CBC Chaplain Pastor BD Conversion chuan inkhom akai shwaya Principal Reverend Lalpek lian sungte chuan zirlai graduate turzingami unau pa wanram moi le khabuzia kongdik ti chu release in pathian hniana ahlan CBC Male Voice and fakna hla moi takin anrema Aizawl East District Superintendent Reverend Rosanga Kolni hniana tengin pathian thu cha ngai thlak ani October ni somni pakhat pathiani zinga Principal Reverend Lalpek lian sungte chuan inkhom akai shwaya Central District Superintendent Reverend Laro moi ralte chuan inkhom hlan tong taina nein CBC choir ten fakhla anrem Degree conferring Reverend Lalma Somasailo General Superintendent chuan nein kum in hian mi pathum unau pala shat moya balpui H Lunglei District unau pa wanlal hluta chonpui Aizawl North Mizoram District Unau pa wanram moi din thar Aizawl North Mizoram District 10 and graduate 30 General Secretary Reverend Arlerin Sangan tongtrai sakna anei ani General LED Secretary Unau Nularam Thagin College Award semna anei bok Graduate 30 College atangle General LED Shillong Local Church le Shillong Local PYD le mimal atangte in thil peklan anei ani bok General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzaman kumsang hi sompukwa CBC calendar a release a commencement address Reverend Lalma Somasailo chuan soin Reverend Arlal Hoyan mal somna in inkhom achin ani October ni somni pakhat pathiani zakhan revival program in hunman chunjom ani a Pastor Simal Somjelan inkhom akashwaya Reverend Lalpek lian sungte hne tengin pathian thu cha ngai thlak ani CBC student te music video siam chu Reverend Arlal Hoyan releasing ngai thatu apyang te ta na the mal somna thlentu ani theina pathian hne ahlan ani October ni somni panhi thotan ni khan Shillonga General LED kumto board nei ani a board hi unau nula changyani sailo chuan akai shwai anro rel tlang puite kumsang hi sompakwa General LED conference hi Golden Jubilee conference ani awangin hetiang hian amandan tu rohman ani Ahun October ni som atanga ni som pathum ni som panhi October inrini hi Jubilee lomna pawla tana man ani ang amun kolasib diakon Jubilee ni han conference mangtu LED member zongjong ten korwar ha in mani nampon bi theu emo avar sud hak vektur ani zaipol nei theitur te chuan kumsang hi som pakwa August la chungin ahla kopinian General Secretary hena thelu tur ani General LED conference ashana nei apyangin hetiang hian flag zardan tur zong duan ani General LED flag chu fit som pani asanga zar chin tur ani District LED flag chu fit som asanga zar chin tur ani kumsang hi som pakwa General LED budget tan cheng noi som hi pathum singli le sangkhat pom ani a executive board a thlen ani ang Pentecostal lady Chanchin Bupala campaign ni se tin Chanchin bu copy somnga la chin agent free to ni se kumsang ni som pakwa atanga mantan tur ani October ni somni panhi thotan ni khan CBC Hall Shillonga Theological Education Board nei ani a board hi chairman Reverend Lalma Somasailo chuan akai shwai anro rel tlang puite kumsang hi som pakwa CBC budget tan cheng noi somru pakhat le singkhat rohman ni in executive board a thlen tur ani Oneness Theological Journal kum khata voili swachin hi kum khata voi ni biannuala chwa to tur ani Library and Training Turin LDC a thoklai unau palan hingsa khyang te tir ni se District Bible School te exam hun in angtlanga nei ani theinan rohman na siamani a June Cholkar toble July Cholkar tir inkara bo chaini se tini in exam turni big road chu CBC faculty kuta da ani Calvary Bible College Shillonga BD program hontura rohman na rorel na masa in alaw pasto bo zui ani idan le zir chiang tura CBC faculty te report changchang zir haw ani a atul angala endona malak kalzel tura da ani Kohhran rorel na sang executive board in Kolkata Bengali Bible School hon RMT sakto kalpui dan tu rohman na siam chu clear havin executive board da thlen tura da ani shwai tu te program ngai thak chunjom ila General Superintendent Reverend Lalma Somasailo le General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoya te chuan Aizawl East District Missions Conference Kohhran nei meka telpuin rawngbawlna an nei General Sunday School Director Reverend Arlai Chingpui le General Mission Secretary Reverend V.L. Tuanga Sinate te chuan North Mizoram District Missions Conference Ramthun Indoor Stadium man meka antelpui North Mizoram District chuan District Missions Conference voisomli pariat na chaltlang bial chung Ramthun Indoor Stadium man mek ani Conference a hian thupui rawngbawlna khalhen ro ti man ni in thupui hlawm hi hmun nga a thenin ramthim rawngbawlna a thianghlimna a tharau bo chandamna a thilpek rawngbawlna a ti le I rawngbawlna khalhen ro ti a thenin heng rawngbawl tu te hian pathian thu cha an soi thinang zirtop zana unaunu esherle rawngbawli Bible woman Bajirung Field Missionary inrin ni zana pastor le pianthanga bil khothlir bial pastor Pathiani zinga Reverend V.L. Tuanga Sinate General Mission Secretary Pathiani chuna Reverend C.L. Thantuanga District Missions Director Pathiani zana Reverend Lal Tuanga District Superintendent October ni somni pasari dar somle achanve atanga chhnu dar thungthleng rorel inkhom nein hemi hun chung han secretary report baka financial report le mission field de thoktu pakwa atangin report ngai thak ani bokang North Mizoram District Conference report kim changhikar le pennet Chanchin Thar wan chwa ani ang October ni sompariat ningani khan North Mizoram District Building Committee to Chairman Reverend Lal Tuanga Kaishwain nei ani a meeting here North Mizoram District khwam chunga bek in le pastor quarters district and kolna hnuai sakmek le thom that ngai chungchang te soin malak zel dan tur an soi ho October ni som pasari ni laini khan North Mizoram District thianghlimna committee to district committee room district superintendent Reverend Lal Tuanga Kaishwain an thukhom meeting a hian North Mizoram District khwam chunga kumsang hi sompanga atanga zugle hmam konga thianghlimna kaushanin wartaka akalpui atanga kaushan member tamtakin zugle hmam ansim dan tele bial shangshanga wartaka malak ani thute ngai thlang ni in district khwa pa malak zel dan tur an soi ho North Mizoram District hun thar bial chunga phunchong biak in sakthar chu October ni somni inrin ni chuma dar som pakhat khan North Mizoram District Secretary Reverend Charpuyan ahong phunchong biak in hi phunchong bazar bul mai sakni in biak in mun hi pulal thara IS retired pek ani a an biak in masahi kumkalta kumsang ni som pasari khan sebereka khwang kain nolin biak in sakna mai tur mun ma an nei lo lain pulal thara hian phaltekin alo pe ani biak in saklung phum hi kumin march ni somni pali khan hun thar bial to pastor Reverend Silan Muliadan alo phum to a biak in hi skirting thleng RCC a sakni in adung fit somthum pani le awang fit somparia taliana sak ani a biak in saknan hian tha zasari somli sengin sumle pai cheng noili singli sanghi zaruk somsari panga an seng bok hun thar bial te malang na in inrinikal ta October ni somni khan hongin biak in thar lomna roi an the bok hun thar biala hian local church pasari ommekin heng local church shangshang te hian phunchong bek in tundin ani theinan target in siamin an tho khom boka bek in saknan hian bial chung kaushan shangshang te achokan hatlang nei thin ani bok ani tundin muna phunchong a hian kaushan in sompanga omin member som nga pasari anom meka evangelist F Lalsan himachuan hun thar bial rein rongbawlna anei mek bok North Mizoram District Headquarters BLPYD te chuan October ni somparia ta tangani somni pakhat ninga ni zana tanga pathiani zan thleng bial hwab revival crusade an buat sai crusade hi mission veng thlang biak ina nein evangelist Steve Valerwa ta chu speaker a man ani a crusade nei chung hian thu soiro pui tak tak ngai thlak thin ani speaker chuan Aigupta Lal Faron Israel mi te Aigupta ram ripel lova in thoina le an pathian biak aphal angkhan setana po hian kaushan hote hi aram ripel lo in thoina hlante tongtai te aphal veveka setana ram ripel lo rongbol tu kan ni ahlau thule setana ram ripel nge yelal pa rongbol tu rin mi puite asom ani crusade nei chu headquarters BLPYD Zaipol district PYD Koirba ka mimal zai thiam tak tak ngai thlak thin ni in khom kai shwai na BLPYD president Unau pa Kero Tuanga BLPYD secretary Unau pa Arlel Besangale BLPYD treasurer Unau pa Bilerem Proteten an kai shwai thin ani October ni sompakwa atangani somni pakhat chung khan tlangsang bial chuan seminar kam revival program an buat sai Hehun Ahian District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusang a resource person come speaker atan mangin seminar thupui pani administration le financial ti man ani seminar hi bial chung mi puiten an hlutin chimtu po an thahle a tlangsang biala rongbawlna kal hi zai rawngbawlna nei thin unaw nu la hlupui bongkon le unaw nu la ngai omileng puiten an troi ombok tlangsang bial bosai seminar kam revival a hian pathian hna tho ro pui tak thlangin tharau borok kal zela october ni somhi panhi tho chatni khan unaw pala nun moya chuan Kohhran hote kal tangin pathian choi moina nein atuk october ni somhi pathuma tol upa vanel ro ate chungkwa in pathian choi moina an nei vele bok October ni sompakwa zirtop nikal ta khan rei ek bial PYD te chuan nakum kum sang hi sompako a bial PYD ten kum somnga an thlin na tur golden jubilee sha reng na turin rei ek bial pastor quarters ko tu cement in an chunga jingkar na anein an chung zawvek ani October ni sompakwa zirtop ni khan headquarters local UPC biak ina Pentecostal Children Department PCD Lunglei District Bosai PCD meet chu hlotling taka man ani Mid a hian solo le worship dance mangin inti siak na nei ani a solo a hian local sompakwa atangin mi sompakwa ten hlathan sa o tharau thiang hlim ti le mani du hla pakhat mangin inti siak na hi an neya apum puya PC le reng pui zo bok local chu pakhat na ni in poisa fai cheng sang thum le citation adonga panhi na hi PC le ramza vi zo tlang local ani a cheng sang hi le citation adonga pathum na hi ladin sangi ngen te Zion local veng hlun ni in ani hian cheng sang khan le citation adong bok pakhat na PC le reng pui hian All India Radio lungleya hlapali athun don ani worship dance a hian local sompanga ten hlathan sa adonai ti le mani du hla pakhat mangin inti siak na hi an neya bazar local chu pakhat na ni in cheng sanga le citation andonga panhi na chu zo tlang local ni in an ni hian cheng sang thum le citation dongin pathum na chu college veng local ni in cheng sang hi le citation andong bok Happy City Meet Hilunglei District Superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga chuan a honga District Secretary le PCD Advisor ni bok Reverend C Vanal ena chuan thusoin District Child Protection Unit DCPU lamten awareness campaign an nei bok Hemi da hianzai on local veng hlunten music video an siam la iswalal berti chu District PCD President Kelarin tluanga chuan atlang zara nikum lama PCD Meet solo competition a pakhatna la hlimpuya sai lo le CV rem sang zwali ti anjai bok PCD Meet main sponsor hi DUDO UDMPA Department Lunglei under NEDP Climate Change Mitigation and Adaptation Strategy Component te ani a Lunglei District UPC District Board le District Child Protection Unit DCPU 10 and sponsored bok Happy PCD Meet a hian PCD member zariat chuangkal khomin inti siak na hi CR la nunpui chuan akai shwai ani Lunglei District a hian PCD hi local somsari chuanga din ani a member hi sangthum vel anom mek ani October ni sompriat ningani khan Lunglei se thlun venga United Pentecostal Church of North East India Chanchin Thar din ani he Chanchin Thar hi Lunglei District Secretary Reverend C Vanal enan hongin local chairman Turarwat unaw pa arlan hle zawale treasurer Thar lalming lua sai loten thu toy ansoya theriat bel to pastor le luangmal bel tu pastor baka mi enge mozatin thu toy an soibok thuli omma chuan luangmal biala se thlun local hi omri don ani local church board try to third tan le Kohhran thar tan tongtai sakna nei ani a Reverend B kam lian tongtai na in hun akhar ani Kohhran thar din ani zan hian luangmal bial theiret bial le headquarters bial atengin mi somli chuang ankal khom ani Sethuna hian Pentecost Kohhran nisa Kohhran loina turmumal nei lo chungkwa nomnwala hun engemo atang khan Kohhran din ani theinan theiriat lamle luangmal lamten beng an chi in ma an la ringa chumikal zela chuan mi thanhem ngai tem halak na in Kohhran din alonita ani bial pani pastor ten rahman siamin district try to ten hena lekha thlenin local thar loading ta ani local thar form ani angin hengmi te hi mo phur turata na rawat anni Chairman Arlen Nezava, Secretary Sila Nunpuya, Treasurer Lenming Lua Sailo. Sethun local hian member somnga chuang omhalin Kohhran member ni chin member biak in omlo awanga Kohhran dangaloi ta te po Kohhran hian anlet le thwai tura beise ani bok. October ni somhi inrini khan kumsoman saknuwa mwal cheng south local biak inchu Lunglei District UPC Treasurer Reverend Sila rin tuang chuan pathian ne na lanin ahong biak in hon in khom hi upasi zo sang lian chairman Molcheng South Local Chuan akai shwaya zd hang lian thanga assistant secretary Molcheng South Local Chuan technical report pe in district treasurer Reverend Silarin Tuanga Chuan pathian thu cha pwan chhwana aneya lunglei district PYD choir Molcheng South Local PYD le LED baka Flesia chungi le la numpui ten zain rongbawlna an nei bok tlailama biak in tharlom na roi kil ho ani biak in hon program hi October ni som pakwa atang ni som ni pakhat chung khan man ani a in khom program a hian lunglei district UPC treasurer Reverend Silarin Tuanga Toy Pui Bel to Pastor Reverend H Rauthama Chimtui Pui district superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailo Luangmol Bel to Pastor Reverend B Kamliana Lunglei district missions director Reverend B Mwakaten thu soi rongbawlna an nei chin ani Molcheng South Local biak in hi adung fit somsari veranda ne fit somriat awang fit somriat fit somthum pariat ani a October ni somni sangni pariat khan biak in lungphum hi Reverend V Mwaka chuan alo phum to a alungphum atanga kumsomna October ni somni sangni som pariata hon ani ta ani Molcheng South a hian tunin hmuna member zanga chuang an loi mek October ni somni pariat pathian ni phang hian lunglei district missions director Reverend V Mwaka chuan vice mission field atlo dona luangmol bial PY desire polten an troi omang vice missions field a hian evangelist lel engzawa chu home missionary in a omeka tuna hian back in an sakchulo mai thei turin an pei to khat to ani lunglei district chung heng huna ati hian bial missions conference man mek ani October ni somni parukzana Chanchin Thar Siveng Bial Missions Conference chu Hawrong Lokala Neitan ani a speaker atan Bial to Pastor Reverend Sila Shat Puya Chumman ani a thupuya tan luka bungsom pakwa changsom boral te zonga chandam ti man ani October ni somni parukzana Chanchin Thar Bial Missions Conference chu lungpui zol biak ina neitan ani a speaker atan Bial to Pastor Reverend R Vanel enga chumman ani in thupuya tan e pathian tok turin in peiro amusa bungli changsom pani man ani a zai thiamlal du omi zion local venglun chuan zain rongbawlna anei bok October ni somni parukzana Chanchin zol pui bial PYD le LED joint conference chu putunga si lokala man ani a speaker atam bial to Pastor Evangelist Monpui Colony le putunga si home missionary Evangelist Simon Amarde chu man anni October ni somni pakhatzan khan lunglei district Pangzol bial to Pastor Arla Ramhla chuan Pangzol khongbok lokala mithar pakhat alom lut mithar hi bial missions department in crusade abwa sai ra chwa ani October ni som pakwa atangani somni pakhat chung khan cher hlun bial le thingsai bial de chuan cher hlun biak ina joint revival him takin an mang he joint revival a hian bial pahni ashwai tu ten thu anin soi chok thina October ni somni pahni thotan ni khan upasil changliana cher hlun local chuan pathian hne lom thu soi choi moina nei chun jamin him takin hun an mang ani cher hlun le thingsai bial te hi tun ma abial khatalo om thin ani a bial chen ani hnu point in khom puite in chimtonin in to khom program hi an lo siam fo to bok ani kumsang ni som pakwa November thla hian joint revival hi south chong tui lokala man le ani ang bungpun bial missions department te bose crusade to bungpun lokala October ni som pani atangani somni pani chung khan nei ani a speaker atan Reverend Lalming thanga chuman ni in ani hian ti dam rongbawlna aneya mi puiten he rongbawlna hi an hlut le a chinchia danin he rongbawlna hian mi zathum pali in mingziakin mi zahni somriat pathumin tongtraina andonga damna changmi zahni somwa pathum an om ani tunhaya kaushandina riasika hmuna chimtui pui district evangelist enthang hnuna le atim te chuan salvation camping an nei zo hnu in October ni som panga thotan ni atang khan home crusade an ba sai chunjama an rongbawlna kalzela October ni somni inrin ni khan member pali kaushana senglutin he rongbawlna hi evangelist enthang hnuna chuan anei ngal ani October ni somni pakhat pathian ni khan mi pasari in lalpa iswamingin swangai damna baptisma anchanga October ni somni panhi thotan ni khan kaushanten pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina ba chain him takin hun an mang Longtlai North bial malakna in October ni som pakwa atangani somni pakhat chung khan an bial chung veng sangshanga open air service an buat sai he crusade a hian Reverend R Sangthanga chu speaker atan man ni in thuthung lam hoi zirtina apechina unaw nu zampuin zai rongbawlna anei chin bok October ni som pakwa zirtop zana AOC venga atanga hun mangtanin inrin ni zana bial headquarters vengpuya hun an mangle a October ni somhe pakhat pathiani zinga bazar lokala bial hop in khom na nein chonu dar khata lungtlai hun lunlai ario pagi atangin thutlung puan chwana hi an chunjom le ani October ni somhe pakhat pathiani zana council venga akharna hun mangin anrong bolna lalpan mal asom hle ani Pastoral somnia na sailo chimtupui district diltlang bial pastor chuan October ni somni pakhat pathian ni mangkhan khomoi kaushana rongbolin mi pariatin swanga idamnan I swamingin baptisma anchang district LED rural bo zuin chung komai chamle thiang hlimna thupui mangin LED te seminar ane puibok pathiani chonhulam khan diltlang bial missions board Chunghalin November ni riat atangani som pakhat chunghian molbu ela crusade nei turin andrela he crusade a hian speaker atam pastoral som liana sailo hi anroyang October ni som pariat atangani som ni pakhat chungkhan longtlai sau bial chon bial LED le PYD joint conference an mang he conference a hian district evangelist Robert B Lalunsiamati chu speaker atan anroya hlim takin hun an mang October ni somni pasari atangani somni pariat chunghian ni otlang bial PCD chuan mid voi khatna aina kaushana manmek ani thule hlaba ka items shang mangin inti sangne le inti hlemna program anba saya bial chunga PCD member ten an hlutle sia ha bial LED conference voi somthum parungna chu October ni som pakwa atangani somni pakhat chungkhan college bank to lokala man ani Bial LED conference a hian former district LED president Unaunu H Zoram Thangi Bible woman to speaker atan man ni in nute rongbolna ti thupuya man ani a speaker rongbolna lalpan mal asom hle in khompui chung hian local paruk atangin LED zai polten zai rongbolna an nei china district PYD khoertem pathiani jing in khom le zana zai rongbolna an nei bok imrini chuna rawrel in khom an nei a an rawrel langsar zwalte Kumsang ni sompakwa conference ne natur college veng local Kumsang ni sompakwa January to kar ni na pathiani a chunghei tung tai bot sai bial hwa pin re asika kaushan tlo ni se inkhom thuthleng som pengal ni se Bible ral chan bot sai le ni se local inkal health program man le ASC homa se ha bial LED minga present pack bial OB10 local tin tlo chhuak se Bu fai cham campaign nei ni se bial hwapin seminar nei le ni se bu fai cham tha top 3 te pakhatna enlal mwani college veng no sang sari zani pani na tila liaboi college veng no sang ruk somthum pariat pathumna el nango college veng no sangli zali somni panga ramthim bu fai cham tha top 3 te pakhatna Elizabeth May satla no sangthum Pahnina El Zachiali se hatla no sakha zakwale pasari Pathumna Enlal Mwani College veng no sakha zasari somni panga LED shwai tu na cholova kumsom thok Unaunu Maradeva Council veng hina citation hlan ani Chimtuipui District Missions Conference hengtu tur headquarters kaushan ten hlim takle hlotling takamman ani theinan inbwa saina ankal puimu pupa natlang ni tin thokin zanlama po all lovin flavor zakin biak in rongte an hnoi tha a kaushan te anrang rolin an phur hle ani October ni sompakwa zirtom ni khan Chimtuipui District chung sangawan biak ina nu patuak somli pasari ten in nei thatna hun an manga pastor ke kongkhar moya sangawbel tu pastor chuan a invon thattir ani Aizol East District PYD te chuan October ni somni atangani somni pakhat chung khan zema bok veng pui biak ina hlakut pui hlotling takin an mang Inkhom hi organizing committee shwai tu te chuan in thokin inrini zan khan evangelist sila chuanga chairman chuan inkhom ka shwain pastoral tlan hluan hamte ex district PYD president chuan honna aneya Pentecostal choir ten opening song an sabok Aizol East District PYD ten hlakut pui an hmana hian in khoma piang in thu soi toy minute somni chung ngai thak thin ani a in rini zan khan evangelist F la sang lian hne na tengin music lama mason na ti thu pui mangin thu soi ngai thak ani a pathiani choma a unaw pala than sang kolni chuan sol falama mason na ti thu pui mangin thu soi na anei le a pathiani chonhua evangelist H Lerin oman hla phwale zailama mason na ti mangin thu soi na aneya pathiani zana Reverend Arlalton ki District PYD President chuan thu soina hun anei bok ani hehuna hian aizo khopui chunga bia shang zai pol mimal zai le benba ka aizo khopona tengin mi malzai ngai thak thin ani a Pentecost rang hlui zai thiam unaw nu lal tan pui ser chip unaw nu JH lal chan himi se song unaw nu lal hun moi parte mol pui unaw nu lal chan himiral te lungpher unaw pa H larin moi avarte amt veng unaw pa si vansanga Upper Republic biale Evangelist F Zirliana champhai te hnen na tangin zai ngai thak thin ani boka hengsha hlui zai thiam te pathian jang khan choi moin hlan anni baka he huna item nei zong zong te chu memento hlan vek anni a inkhom zong zong te hena bookmark sem ani bok Aizol East District PYD ten hlakut pui an hmana hian organizing committee ten hla imphwa sek an buat sei a pathian jang khan result pon le loman sem na nei ngal ani Solo a hian la somni lutin Zaipol a hian la pariat aluta hengmi te hian lomban andong ani Solo a pakhanda unaw nu lal ming moi roite bazar bial lom thu karon soye panhina unaw palarem rota marem rota kolkul bial beltlak pathian pathumna Evangelist H Larin Oma Upper Republic bial kalung khamram Zaipol a pakhanda unaw palarem rota marem rota kolkul bial tuinung lui Panhina unaw pa H Villarin moya bazar bial Mesialal Iswa Pathumna unaw pa bilang hang moya East Lungdar bial Thuthung Fate Aizol East District Missions Department District Conference Voice somni pangana chu Kohhaya October ni somni paruk zirtop zana tangkhan mantan ani Inkhom pui hi Reverend Vanal Filaram Tiam District Treasurer chuan pathian hena hlanin ahonga Kumin District Missions Inkhom puya hian thupuya rawngbawlna khalhen ro Timothy thon ni bungli changa thu man ni in thupui thensom hangin hengmi te hnen atang hian thu soi ngai thlak thin ani zirtop zana Evangelist H Malsom thanga sengkhom na a inrini zana Reverend Lalrema Tharawa pathiani choma a Reverend Arlel Hoya Thilpeka Pathiani chonhua Reverend Lalma Somasai lau mo phurna a Pathiani zana Reverend Rosanga Kolni thiang himna a Inrini nileng khan kho haibek ina rorel na nei ani a rorel velotan inkhom pui nei namuna wantlang inkhom nei ani a Evangelist H Lalbiak zawa chuan inkhom kaishwain Evangelist H Lal himpuya hena tingin thu soi ngai thak ani Aizol East District Missions inkhom puya hian inkhom apiangin malzai baka Zaipol hena tingin fakla ngai thak thin ani bok Evangelist hang nei sang rawngbawlna kal zela zema bok biala October ni somni pakhat pathian ni khan chung ko khat member pali te chu kaushana senglu anni October ni sompali pathian ni ve khan khozol veng pui kaushana mithar pali senglu ni in Trumpuya po mithar pani senglu anni bok October ni somni pakhat pathian ni ve khan bazar bial ramthar kaushana bial to pastor Reverend HL Thakunga kuta mi pathumin swanga damdam baptisma changin anjinga pakhat hi mithar ani a kaushana senglu hal ani Bazar bial ti hian November ni somle som pakhat hian bazar biak ina bial kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee lom turin animba sai mek zela hehuna hian bazar bial tu pastor lawni to te chu som vek ni in November ni som inri ni hian Jubilee roikil turin imba sai na ankal pui mek ani Bongkon bial PYD conference in Laurel to angin October ni somni pathum thole zan khanram hunveng thar sport complex khothar huna thuthung pwanchwa na mol inkhom nei ani Hehun hi unaw pa HKL nei sanga bial PYD secretary chuan ka shwain speaker District Missions Department en rongbol tu an roimek Evangelist Joseph Lerem rote chu an manga he huna hian bial chung tengin PYD member enghe muzatelin kal khom te hian hlok takin hun an mang ani October ni somni panhi thortan zan khan serchi bial PYD kumpon committee te chuan kumpon campaign nein chan mari bek ina hlok takin hun an mang Hehuna hian una pa CVL rin hluan hne tengin thu cha ngai thlak ani a kal khom ten hlok thlak an ti hle ani serchi bial PYD kumpon committee te hian bial chunga PYD kumpon campaign nein hun an lo mang to thin ani shat tirna poimo ngai thak chun zomila Lunglei District Missions Department waya kan home missions felt thoktu te tram chu ni somthum pakha December sanghi sompariata hian alo toble don ta a kum sanghi sompako atanga sanghi somni chunga tan home missionary pasari lak thar lo ngai le don ta a pathian kauna dong zugle hmam ti lo te tan hen ha hi dil the ani e shat tur poimo te dil tu chu aloina lokala tual chung rongbol tu ani tur ani dil chu blank paper a jakin District Missions Director hena jaka thelu tur ani Dil tu chuan aloina local church board le kha thilter tur ani Dil na hi ni December sanghi sompria thlengin thelu the ani anga dil tu chu ni thum December sanghi sompria dar somle achan ve a District Missions Board ma interview tur ani ang hen hadil tu interview local titan TAD a omlovang Evangelist Eflan Hong Secretary Lunglei District Missions Department United Pentecostal Church Lunglei District Noya Thokturin driver pakhat Masero Lalak Anidona Dildu Chuan som thum thasom pakhat sang ni som paria dalma in District Secretary Reverend C Vanal Ena hena dilda plain paper aziakin thelu tur ani Diltu tetana sha turte ming pa ming kumzat address education qualification poria chin chunglam tan interview hun nili thasom bani sang ni som paria dar som interview na mun district UPC conference hall local church board recommend na tel tur zugle hmam timi tan dil the anilo interview na hian mani document driving license ken tur Reverend C Vanel Ena Secretary Lunglei District UPC Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar kan thlir le ngai thlang ho le theite ani e